In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs at the top in Google Sites easily. If you're looking to organize your website and make navigation seamless for your visitors, adding tabs can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. Firstly, you need to have your Google site open. Once you're there, you'll want to focus on the left side of your screen where you see the option labeled Pages. Clicking on Pages is the first step in creating a well-structured site. By organizing different sections into separate pages, you can give your users a clear path to find exactly what they're looking for without any confusion. This is particularly useful if you have a lot of content to offer. Next, after you've clicked on Pages, you'll notice a plus icon at the bottom of this panel. The plus icon is your gateway to adding new pages, which will eventually become the tabs at the top of your site. Clicking this icon will bring up a prompt to create a new page. Adding a new page is essential because it allows you to categorize your content effectively. Now it's time to name your tab. This might seem straightforward, but it's essential to choose a name that clearly represents the content housed within this page. A clear, concise name not only helps with SEO, but also ensures that your visitors know exactly what to expect when they click on it. For example, if your page is about company history, you might name the tab About Us or Our Story. It's all about making it as intuitive as possible for your audience. Once you've inputted a name for your new page, there's one more crucial step, clicking on Done. This action saves your new page and adds it as a tab to the top of your website. It's a small yet important step to ensure that everything you've done is saved and visible to your site visitors. The Done button is like the final seal of approval on your new addition, making sure everything is properly integrated. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly add tabs to your Google site, thereby enhancing its navigation and usability. These tabs not only help in keeping your content organized, but also improve the overall user experience, making it easier for visitors to explore everything you have to offer. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to tweak and personalize your tabs to best fit the needs of your site. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Google site endeavors.